Hello, welcome. This is a question from Indices. Now, the first step is making the bases the same. We want to express all this in base 2. That 2 is the same as 2 raised to power 5. And then we've got x minus 3. Multiplied by 8 itself is the same as 2 raised to power 3. And then we also have x plus 4. Equate these two. 64 is the same as 2 raised to power 6. Then this is divided by 2 raised to power x. This becomes 2 power 5x minus 15 multiplied by 2 power 3x plus 12 is equal to 2 power 6 divided by 2 power x. When the bases are the same, when we are multiplying, we just add the powers. So this becomes 2 power 5x minus 15 plus 3x plus 12 equal to 2 power. When we are dividing this, we subtract the powers. So this becomes 6 minus x because of the division. When the bases are the same, the powers must be the same. So 5x minus 15 plus 3x plus 12 must be equal to 6 minus x. Let us group the like terms together. 5x plus 3x, it becomes 8x, minus 15 plus 12, it becomes minus 3, is equal to 6 minus x. We now proceed and group like terms together further. 8x, this minus x becomes plus x, equal to 6 minus 3. On crossing the equal sign becomes plus 3. So this is 9x equal to 9. Divide all through by 9 over 9 over 9. So x becomes 1, and that is the value. Thank you for watching. Welcome. Subscribe to the channel.
Tafadhali subscribe.